ground shook, I fell again, but I'm still standing through the pain. The night was long, the skies were gray.